Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about innovation theory of trade cycle. This theory is given by Schumpeter. According to this theory, innovation is main cause of fluctuations in economic activities. According to this theory, innovation is main cause of fluctuations in economic activities. And what is innovation? Innovation means introducing something new. It can be new product, new idea or device or any method. This theory classified innovation into 5 categories. First is introduction of new type of goods. Next is introduction of new methods of production. Next is opening of new market, means now you are launching your product in new market. Next is discovering new sources of raw material. Last is change in organization of industry, means now you are creating monopoly or cartel, etc. Now we are going to talk about 3 important factors in this theory. First is innovation. We have already discussed about innovation. Second is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the individual who brings innovation by creating new business ideas. Entrepreneur is the individual who brings innovation by creating new business ideas. Third important factor is banking system. Banking system is very important in this theory because banks provide credit to businesses for innovation. Banking system is very important because banks provide credit to businesses for innovation. Now we will see how innovation produce trade cycle. Means now we will see how innovation can cause of fluctuations in economic activity. Suppose there is equilibrium in economy and some entrepreneurs bring innovation, or we can say that some businesses bring new products in market. Some brings a new acne prevention soap, some brings a new hair fall shampoo, some brings a new mobile, laptop, etc. Now suppose products of some businesses become super hit, means their sales is continuous increasing. As sale increasing, their profit also increasing. To see the profit of existing businesses, new businesses will enter in the market. They will imitate the product of existing businesses. As a result, in economy, investment will increase. Investment will increase at very high speed. As we earlier discussed, in this theory, banking system play a very important role, and they are providing credit to businesses for doing investment. When investment is continuous increasing, as a result, output, employment, income also increasing. Obviously, when businesses are investing, they are providing more jobs to people. As people are getting more employment, income also increasing. So when income increasing, output increasing, employment increasing, means our economy is growing and we are getting prosperity. So now our economy is in prosperity. But this prosperity will not remain for long time period. Why this prosperity will not remain for long time period? Because soon there will be overflow of new products in market. Means soon supply of new products will increase in market because there are so many businesses who are bringing new products in market. There are so many acne prevention soap, there are so many hair fall shampoo, there are so many mobile, laptop. Means supply of new products are continuous increasing in market, but demand is less as compared to supply. As we know, when supply is more but demand is less, price will fall. When price fall, profit of businesses fall but their cost is high. Profit is falling but their cost is high, means businesses are going in loss. As a result, investment will fall, innovation will end. As we know, when investment fall, employment fall, output fall, income fall, means now prosperity is end. We are moving from prosperity to recession. Now recession is in our economy. When economy is in recession, one thing make recession worse is credit deflation. Credit deflation means banks reduce supply of credit. But why banks reduce supply of credit? Because during this time period, giving loans to businesses is very risky because they are going in loss, whether they will repay loans or not. If businesses are not getting loans from banks, means investment will fall more. As a result, it can be possible we can move from recession to depression. And recovery can start when any entrepreneur bring innovation in market. So this is all about innovation theory of trade cycle. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.